Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. We will discuss Agile manufacturing. Agile manufacturing is a highly flexible production method that aims to quickly adapt and respond to market changes and customer requests. It focuses on increasing productivity, reducing manufacturing times, and improving product quality by utilizing sophisticated technology and processes. Agile manufacturing is based on the integration of information technology, automation, and new management methods to ensure a continuous flow of information, materials, and products. By focusing on customer satisfaction and value generation, businesses may compete more effectively in dynamically changing settings by delivering new goods faster and modifying production processes as needed. Agile manufacturing helps companies respond better to changes in customer demand, market conditions, and even technological innovations. It involves short-term planning and adaptable production processes instead of traditional long-term methods that rely on predictability. Elements of Agile manufacturing. First, modular product design. Second, information technology. Third, corporate partners. And fourth, culture of knowledge. One request: if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, and press the notification bell. First, modular product design. Modular product design is an approach that is used to design defined products or applications by breaking them down into separate or independent parts. These defined parts can be used for similar functions on different systems or machines. Second, information technology. We have to automate the rapid spread of information across the enterprise to enable ultra-fast response to orders. Unlike technology used for entertainment or personal purposes, information technology is typically used in the context of business operations. Third, corporate partners. We must create short-term virtual alliances with other companies that allow for better time to market for selected product segments. A corporate partnership is a mutually beneficial relationship between a for-profit company and a non-profit organization. It usually involves a charity receiving money, goods, or services that the corporate partner considers beneficial. Fourth, culture of knowledge. We should invest in the training of employees to achieve a culture that supports rapid changes and continuous adaptation. It is the domain of our organization in which its values, beliefs, and behavioral norms determines the effectiveness and efficiency with which knowledge is exploited and used to achieve competitive advantage. Agile manufacturing principles. First, organize to master change. Second, leverage the impact of people and information. Third, collaboration to improve competitiveness. And fourth, enrich the customer. First, organize to master change. An agile manufacturing process company organizes itself in a way that allows it to thrive in change and uncertainty. In an agile business, human and material resources can be quickly realigned to adapt to a changing environment and market opportunities. Second, leverage the impact of people and information. In an agile business, knowledge is valued, innovation is rewarded, and authority is distributed to the appropriate levels of the organization. The administration provides the resources that are in individual need. The organization has an entrepreneurial spirit. There is an atmosphere of mutual responsibility for joint success. Third, collaboration to improve competitiveness. Collaboration both internally and with other companies is the preferred operational strategy of an agile competitor. Their goal is to bring products to market as quickly as possible. The necessary resources and skills are found and used wherever they exist. This may involve partnering with other companies, possibly competitor companies, to create virtual companies. Fourth, enrich the customer. An agile company's products are perceived as solutions to customer problems. The price of the product can be based on the customer rather than the cost of manufacturing. Agile manufacturing includes the organizational structure of the business, and the way the business deals with people includes partnerships with other organizations and includes relationships with customers. Let us discuss the advantages and disadvantages of agile manufacturing process. Advantages of agile manufacturing process. First, the company has a competitive advantage as it is continually changing its focus to satisfy its customer. One request, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and press the notification bell. Second, innovative designs are provided based on customers. This in turn provides a wider variety of customers to choose from. Third, quickly respond to emerging crises. Fourth, even though production may change quickly, mass production can still be achieved while flexibility is still possible. Disadvantages of agile manufacturing process. First, the sudden demand will cause shortages. Meanwhile, if the demand for the products with a high production rate drops sharply, this could lead to a number of products that could not be sold. Second, in order to become agile manufacturing, the business will need to invest in highly skilled and trained workers who are competent to be agile. Third, ongoing need to keep machinery and workers up to date with new technologies and maintain company competitiveness due to short product cycle life. Fourth, maintenance to keep machinery in good working condition increases the cost due to the higher cost of parts. Fifth, intensive planning and management of such a system is required as a shift from the ideology of mass production to agile manufacturing. Let us discuss 5 agile manufacturing best practices that help us to apply this production strategy. Agile manufacturing best practices. First, creating a work culture that prioritizes adaptability. Second, ensuring end-to-end visibility of our factory and entire supply chain. Third, setting short-term measurable goals and tracking progress towards the target. Fourth, making our factory more flexible and resilient with manufacturing AI solutions. Fifth, minimize time spent on non-value-added tasks. First, creating a work culture that prioritizes adaptability. Agile manufacturing revolves around defining problems and solving them by breaking them down into smaller, manageable parts. Therefore, fostering a work culture that prioritizes adaptability is essential. Central to this is the value placed on data. Second, ensuring end-to-end visibility of our factory and entire supply chain. The most critical step in collecting information is achieving maximum possible visibility across our shop floor, supply chain, and financial operations. This visibility helps detect bottlenecks and uncover hidden potentials. Third, setting short-term measurable goals and tracking progress towards targets. We have to identify small tasks that can be completed within a week or two, resulting in measurable positive returns. By training staff on this new procedure and monitoring its implementation, we can quickly see improvements in changeover times. Fourth, making our factory more flexible and resilient with manufacturing AI solutions. It includes, first, AI demand forecasting. Second, AI-driven flexible job shop scheduling. Third, machine learning-driven predictive maintenance. Fifth, best practice. Minimize time spent on non-value-added tasks. Many tasks in business environment must be completed but do not directly add value. However, if the workforce spends excessive time on such tasks, they cannot focus on generating strategies to respond to changes in the business environment, rendering agile manufacturing initiatives less effective. Let us conclude. The focus of agile manufacturing lays on the response time, and the aim is to react to customer needs quickly. Therefore, agility and speed become the competitive advantages of agile manufacturing. An agile company is in a better position to take advantage of short windows of opportunities and rapid changes in customer demand. That's all. Thank you so much for watching the video.